In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Steam region or country. If you've moved to a new country, you can update your Steam store region so that your pricing and currency match your new location. Keep in mind that changing your Steam country also changes the prices you see in the Steam store. To get started, open Steam and sign into your account. Then, click on your account name in the top right corner of the window. This will open a menu with several account options. From here, select Account Details. Once the Account Details page opens, look for the option labeled Update Store Country and click on it to continue. Steam will let you know that if you've moved to a new country, you'll need to complete your first purchase using a payment method from that country. This is how Steam verifies your new region before updating your account. If the payment method you're using is from a different country than your current Steam store region, Steam will automatically give you the option to change your store country while you're viewing your cart or completing your purchase. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the change. Once your purchase is complete, your Steam store country will be updated, and you'll start seeing prices and currency based on your new region. And that's all there is to it. As long as you've moved to a new country and use a payment method from that country, updating your Steam region is a quick and straightforward process.